Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on DOOGEE Tab E3 Pro. So first, open the Quick Settings and click and hold on to Bluetooth. Then, next to your paired device, click the gear icon and then forget the device. Now, scroll from the top once again and disable the Bluetooth and enable it back on. Then click Pair New Device, find your device and pair it once again. If it's still not working for you, then you need to restart both of your tablet and the Bluetooth device. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.